Welcome to the demonstration of the WebSource CPQ configuration, pricing, and quotation software. WebSource allows you to configure, price, quote, propose, and order your offerings across multiple sales and distribution channels anytime, anywhere. WebSource CPQ can be used for simple product catalog search and selection all the way to more sophisticated guided selling, proposal generation, and multi-level channel management tasks associated with sales configurators, as well as handling the traditional bill of material, routing, and diagram generation tasks. Let's take a look. You can see that on my screen I have the ability to create a new project or quotation, load an existing project or quotation, or validate a list of products by part numbers. I'm going to begin our demonstration by creating a new quote. I can start by selecting a product from many different categories. On the right-hand side, you'll notice that I can change the view of my screen. The tree structure view allows me to quickly move to any of the option categories and view all the products within that category. I can also change my view to be displayed as a list of products. That way, I can search, sort, and filter in order to add numerous items at a time. It's important to know that every portion of the screen is customizable. When selecting products, as a salesperson, I may not be sure which of these two my customer wants. The Compare feature lets me analyze the differences between these two products. So I will do a side-by-side comparison to make sure I select the right one. However, if I'm proposing hardware to my customer, the process can be simple or more detailed. The first step lets me choose if I want to customize all the components of a computer or pick a computer that's already built. By clicking on Add to Quote, I can simply select all the products I want and create a quote. Or I can click on Customize to select each component individually. Since I know what kind of hard drive and memory my customer wants, I will click on Help Me Choose Desktop. Here, I select the features that I know my customer needs in order to find the products that have those features. Notice how the number of products available changes in the right column as I make my selection. I'll click on View Products. The selections in Help Me Choose have automatically been selected. Therefore, this customizable desktop was automatically configured based on the search. However, the computer can also be further customized. I can still pick a different processor, memory, hard drive, and CD or DVD drive from the drop-down menu. The status of the desktop on the right changes as I make my selection, and I can also see the total price of my personalized desktop before I add it to the cart. Since discounting is important, we set up this example to show the total price, which is calculated based on the discount percentage of all the products. We're also displaying the discount amount. The calculations are all driven by formulas that operate in real time. Now watch as I select a slightly higher discount amount. You'll see that the total amount at the bottom of the screen immediately updates to reflect the change. On the bottom, a warning message displays every time you exceed your discount rule of 20%. In this case, we set up a rule to approve any discount that exceeds 20%. The behavior of each rule in the system is customizable. The total amount of the product can also be changed, which instantly calculates the discount percentage. I can also copy, delete, edit, or refresh the product from the screen. A great feature is that you can go back and add other items to the quote, which you might have forgot. I can separately change the discount on each single item as well. When I'm satisfied with my selection, discounting, and pricing, I simply click on Generate a Quote. Looking at the screen, you can see that the billing information has not been provided. I can simply add, look up a customer or start writing the customer's name, and if stored, the name will come up. I will copy the billing information to the shipping information, and then I can either click on Continue, or I can go back to the quotation and generate a quote from here. You can create multiple quotation documents in multiple formats. I would like to create a quote document showing my customer what kind of discount they are getting on each item. WebSource CPQ writes all the data to generate a quote. A click of a button sends the quote of the prospect. So what used to take hours or days is now measured in minutes or seconds. I can also download a PDF document. The quotation document comes out with the professionalism that will impress the customers. This was just a quick view of some of the capabilities of WebSource CPQ. To really explore all the value that this can unlock for you, please get your free trial at www.webcominc.com or contact us by email or phone. Thank you.